proud son of Mr. Benjamin Valdez and Mrs. Remedios Valdez. Ladies and gentlemen, please help me welcome candidate number 7, Mr. Christian Valdez. Our second to the last male candidate is Mr. Jefferson Carlos. Jefferson is an income freshman student at the Integrated Computer School Foundation and to become a maritime someday is what he wants. Ladies and gentlemen, a proud son of Mr. Gilbert Carlos and Ms. Maria Divina Palcu, male candidate number 8, Mr. Jefferson Carlos. Number 9, Mr. Raymond Anthony Oggs. Raymond is from National High School and to become a dancer someday is what he wants. To show his talent and have an experience are the reasons behind why he joined the pageant. A proud son of Mr. Raymond Oggs and Mrs. Narcisa Oggs. Ladies and gentlemen, our last male candidate, Mr. Raymond Anthony Oggs.